Hi, hello, and welcome to another Monkey Adventures video. This is a room tour of 13508. This is a one-bedroom suite on the Disney Treasure. It is a Lion King themed room because all Disney Treasure suites are, or all Disney Treasure concierge rooms are Lion King. So, as always, starting from the door, to the right, we have coat hangers. There is no closet right here. We do have, we're going to back up a little bit, a big mirror.
Big
Going left,
guest
this is the front guest bathroom. So we get, of course, your toilet, sink, the Elements product like always. Plus, I'm sure I'm echoing in here. We get the shower. This is a very tall shower. If you saw room number, this is really echoey. I'm not sure how good this sounds, but we're gonna go with it. 13502. Again, I'm 5'10". I had about this much room. I can go full arm length stretched and just be touching the top. Again, nice shower head, not shower head, rainforest head, regular shower. And again, the beautiful sponges. These are fantastic. The Elements products, we love them. We're gonna step out of here and not be so echoey. Continuing. Ready? Okay. Continuing down the hall, we have beautiful artwork, concept art for Pumbaa and Simba.
Fake fan.
What?
I was saying you're a fake fan because you forgot their names.
I don't really care for Lion King, to be fair. Being that this is a full one-bedroom suite, they get a full table, meaning Palo meals and such can be ordered here in the room, and full dining room service can be delivered here to the room also. Continuing on the right side, we have a deep closet.
Oh my god!
Like that's deep enough I could be closed into. Apparently, we're going to close me into a closet. Hopefully, claustrophobic does not kick in. But like, I still have plenty of space in front of me. Like,
and George, now you can come out of the closet.
Anywho, lots of hanger space. If you need more hangers, always ask your room steward. We got the safe, 3 drawers, and your laundry bag. That looks like it's just like the AC for the room. Mm-hmm. Flipping on the opposite side.
Sit over, right?
Go over there.
Oh, okay.
We got a directed cameraman who doesn't really know his own room.
This is my second time walking in here.
This is the Murphy bed for the room. So on 13502, it was at the far end. It is actually built into the center divider. It pulls down, and the guest would sleep right here. We then have our dry bar is really what this is, because there's not a sink. We have USB-C, USB-A, the international, and a standard outlet with big old cabinets, and our cooler,
fridge,
which opens from there.
Stocked up.
We got some monsters, we got some sodas, we got our smart waters, all requested ahead of time. Concierges are wonderful and took care of it. Plus, we have the extra bedding material here, in case anybody needs something extra. Concierge always takes care of it. And you know, you always need the fine little details in life, including custom napkins. Now, continuing into the living room, we have the couch. I've slept on this couch before. It pulls out into a queen-size bed. It's comfy. This does sleep 5, because you have 1 here, 2 there, and the master. There is no drop-down bunk bed in this room. You gotta love Goofy Movie. We have the soundtrack apparently going in the background. Comfy chair. Decent sized TV. Probably 35-inch, I'm gonna guess. Then double door into the master. We're gonna ignore what's behind me because we always like to keep the big reveal till the end. Walking on into the master, we have king size bed in this room. The beautiful artwork. This is, I believe, the same piece we had in 13502. Difference is, instead of 1 light pointing down to the middle on Simba and Nala, we have 2 lights revealing the whole piece of art. Same size TV on this side. All the light switches. We have on the far side a international port, a USB-A, and the nightstand drawer, plus, of course, your reading lights. Back on this side, we have your light switches, your reading light, USB A, C, a plug, and wireless charger already installed, ready to go. Your nightstand, makeup setup.
Vanity.
Thank you, that's the word I'm looking for. One thing I'm going to criticize in this case, in 13502, the makeup vanity / desk has that beautiful ring lighting on you to light you. You don't get that here. You have the makeup mirror, you have the beautiful mirror in front of you, but you're reliant on the top-down light instead of having that forward light. So, if you're one that does a lot of makeup and you like the higher brightness, that's going to be an issue. Stepping into what I'm going to call the walk-in closet. We have first a closet on the left. It is just 1, 2, 3, 4 little slide-ins, and then 4 drawers. On the right, we have a slider first, which is a double closet, double racks. We'll slide that back. We'll do the double reveal.
Well, that's the other half.
The other half of the closet. Then 1, 2, 3, and 4 more slide outs. Your shoe shining services. We also have the laundry bag here. The safe. Are these push out? Oh, they're pop outs. Looks like 3. Oh my goodness. Sure. I'm not sure what I was doing wrong there, but they are pop-outs. I was not able to get lined up. There are 3 guests in this room. 3 of the concierge robes.
Woo!
These are the big fluffy ones. And our 3 pairs of slippers that the guests in this room can take back with them. Then we got the master bath behind us. This one is a very nice one. This is a big master bathroom. I pulled out the door stop while we walked in, so Justin's gonna have to hold that open and try to keep the camera still level. Now, we have a double vanity in here. We've got cabinet spaces under the bottom. We have a scale in case you need that.
My wife might use that.
My father needs it for his blood and such. We have, again, double vanities. We have,
Oh.
No, these should be the vanity kits.
I don't know what that is.
So it's usually like toothpaste, Q-tips and such.
Oh, okay.
And then a shower cap.
Okay.
We then have a massive tub. Again, I am 5'10". This is going to be awkward. Oh, jeebus, this is bigger than I thought it was. I am completely laid out. Like this is a comfy tub. We also get in here, and I'm not gonna do this while seated because I'm gonna get myself wet.
Oh.
The shower nozzle, so if you want to sit down and still like wash your hair and such, you can. Beautiful mosaic work, like in 13502. If you haven't seen that video, be sure to check it out.
Another
Then-
stand-in.
Another stand-in shower. I believe this is going to be the same height. Yep.
I assume so.
Confusingly, the rainforest head is way over here because of the lighting.
Yeah.
It should be here. It might be spread it out enough that it's coming over, so it should be fine. But that is to be determined later on by Justin.
I'm excited for that.
And then we're not going to open it, but toilet room.
My throne.
Now, we did skip one section.
Also some racks right here.
We're going to skip back across the room. We'll go over here.
Oh, Lord.
Justin's going to need to put that aperture all the way up because it is bright today.
Oh, Lord.
Because we got a beautiful day.
That's
We got the top lock undone. We're going to undo this bottom lock and slide it open. And being that this is a 1-bedroom suite, we get a double wide veranda. So still not deep because we are on the side.
Got it.
So still not deep because we're on the side. But we get the width of 2 verandas, 4 chairs, double table. Beautiful view. We also have a standard concierge suite, a concierge room right next door. So we'll get this
We'll get that
door
opened
up for the people in these 2 cabins and have a beautiful long triple wide veranda for them. So you made it this part of the video. Be sure to like, subscribe. Let me know what you think of the 1-bedroom suite here on Disney Treasure. They're all the same, just mirrored. Let me know if you would stay in one. Be sure to check out the whole series where we are here on the Disney Treasure, trying out all the bars, food, restaurants, except for Enchanté. We still like the regular dining, so we wanted to do those. But till next time, see you later.